Javier has finished translating 3/5 of the pages of his last assignment, but his boss has sent him five more pages to translate. Under these circumstances, 85 pages remain to be translated. How many pages in total should Javier translate? Well, we have two different ways to solve this. One of them is using equations, and the other is without equations, without algebra. Without algebra. Let's start with this one, without algebra. The easiest way is to realize that if he has sent 5 more pages and he has 85 to be translated, is because before these 5 extra pages, he had 80 pages to translate. If we do this, we take away the 5 extra pages, we get 80 pages before this extra work. And these extra these pages was the ones that were left to do at the beginning of this exercise. He has done 3/5, so 1 minus 3/5 is 2/5. That's what remain. It's what remaining. And these two quantities represent the same thing, so 2/5 of the work are 80 pages. Now, if we do a reduction to the unit, we may say that 1/5 is 40 and the 5/5 are 200. 5/5 are going to be the same as 200 pages. Remember that we may write an extra step here, changing this to 1/5, that is 40. If we use equations, we translate the whole situation to an equation, and it's going to be like this. The total work is always x. If I quit 3/5 of the work that he has done, but then I add 5 more pages, in the end, this together is the same as 85 pages. Now, if I multiply every term by 5, I get 5x minus 3x plus 25 equals 425. This is multiplying by 5 every term. Then I get twice x if I operate this, and I subtract 25 in both sides. I get 400. And finally, x would be the result of dividing 2 in both sides, so 200 dividing by 2 in both sides. As you can see, we get to the same result.